Hello and welcome to Web3 TV. I'm Lisa Amnegard, reporting from the FastBull Finance Summit 2025 held here in Dubai. Joining me right now is one of the speakers, Mr. Sheikh Muhammad Noman, CEO and founder of Pegasus Capital Investments. So thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you so much for taking me on here.
How has your day been so far?
It's been phenomenal so far. We got a very enlightening panel discussion with a lot of leaders from the industry, and I got to learn a lot of things from them. What is happening in the new thing in the trading, because forex and crypto trading is not my area, but it's good to learn always.
And I'm sure that you taught many people about things that you're an expert in, which I want to talk about.
Positive, why not? I'm happy to pay back to the community.
Yeah, you have over 18 years experience in investment securities and risk calculation. So my first question is, now that the markets are slightly uncertain and volatile, how do people navigate? What are your best strategies to navigate this market?
Well, look, as an investor, people say in the crypto industry that the market is going down. This is the right time to buy the Bitcoin at a discount. All right. The people think other way around is a bull market, it's a bear market. We need to get away. But the crypto mindset people that see is an opportunity to get in the right time because of discounted price. So anybody want to get in and adopt the digital industry, this is the right time. It's no more a future, it's a present. Those who want to adopt it, they want to lead themselves in a better future, they better adopt the digitalization.
You have to have a little bit of a risk for hunger, or a hunger for risk.
Well, there is always a risk involved. One of the amazing thing, a phenomenal thing I learned from this industry, in the human history, any industry has never developed or produced as much of entrepreneur, as much digitalization has produced entrepreneurs like Web3, AI, blockchain, crypto, IP, metaverse, NFTs, all these digital assets. The numbers of entrepreneurs been produced from 5-6 years has never happened in the human history. Meaning something better happening for the mankind. People are getting out of the trap of the capitalism to do something freely what they want to do and serve the world with a better idea.
And that's exactly what kind of your panel discussion was about, how AI and quantitative technologies are shaping the future of trading, particularly in crypto and in forex. So can you tell me a little bit more about what kind of tools are sort of shaping, what kind of AI tools are shaping the future of trading?
In the trading stuff, if you know the banking has been there almost more than 152 years, 200 years old. Still in a banking, we are trained how to stop the scam and fraudulent activities, meaning there are still loopholes that something bad can happen, right? So similarly, this industry is a new industry. There will be some loophole, there will be some problem, there will be some scam. That's okay. It's just something how vigilant you are before you're adopting any industry or any project. Like similarly, in a bot trading, there are 90% scams happening. All right, and then in the crypto industry, there are 95% scams happening because everybody is getting up in the morning and say, wow, crypto bees are making millions of dollars in Dubai, roaming around the Ferrari, staying in a Burj Khalifa. That's okay, man. That could be rented out. No, don't take impressed, don't get inspired by these people. You still believe in yourself, do some hard work, do some invention, and keep your risk analyzation in your mind that how much you can afford to lose. That's okay to lose, because there is always a way to get up again. And in the board industry, AI and forex and crypto trading, there are still loopholes, there are still problems happening, but that's okay. That's part of the game. That's how we will be learning. If we don't make mistake, how would we learn?
Yeah, it's still evolving, and it's evolving quite fast. But my question to you, can AI make you a smarter trader?
Well, kind of little bit. It depends on if it is a general AI, because general AI has a job to collect the data, which is available online. But they still need a human brain to do the risk analyzation, because something crazy happened in the world, and which can impact, like tariff happened, like in the US, they screwed up the crypto and forex market. That's okay, no problem. This is how we learn, and things can happen. But human brain is still superior than AI. I'm a big fan of AI, but I believe AI is trained by the human brain. So AI can never defeat the human brain.
Well, let's hope so. It's advancing very fast. But in terms of your expertise, just the last question, in terms of your expertise, How do you see the outlook for the Middle East financial market this year?
That's phenomenal. Thanks for asking us such an amazing question. I'm sure your audience must be following the Middle East investment market, because our security advisor of UAE, His Highness Sheikh bin Zayed Al Nahyan, he's been to the US a couple of weeks before, and they met all top AI leaders in the world and met the Donald Trump as well. They agreed to invest almost $4 trillion in AI in the next 10 years, meaning the UAE, the president of UAE says that Abu Dhabi is the capital of capitals. So the world's liquid is flourishing and flirting in Middle East, especially in UAE market. So anybody who wants to scale up themselves, any startup want to develop themselves, Abu Dhabi and Dubai is the best market to present yourself and to promote yourself and do the scalability. Because I've been working with the different countries, almost 21 countries on my panel that I'm advising for on the small scales, but the level of adoption in UAE has from the private sector, I have never seen it in the world. The way they adopt and accept the technology in UAE, because the slogan over here, if something best, something one, something tallest, largest, biggest, welcome to Dubai. So you will be adopted immediately.
Yeah, no, exactly. And in terms of this summit here today, how are you finding it? What kind of discussions do you want to have with people?
That's phenomenal. That's pretty nice. I've met a lot of good people. Been learning a lot of. My formula is very simple. I would love to hear first, so that I can learn something new when we get out of here. So attending the summits, one of the formula is that I learn something every day, new things. So there are a lot of enlightened people that have been giving a lot of information which I did not know, or I was not expert about it. But it's always good to learn and meet like-minded people.
Of course, yeah. And in terms, I mean, it's only been day one. We're only on day one. But what's the best thing that you've learned today so far? So
far, I've learned that how to control the boards in a forex and crypto trading, because that's not my area of expertise of trading. It requires too much time consumption and efforts and dedication. I make more production than that. So it's good to learn from these people, from the panelists we had on a board. I learned that how to control the boards. That's
a great knowledge. I think that's something everybody wants to learn.
Indeed.
Well, thank you so much for joining me. It's been a pleasure.
Most welcome, and thank you so much for taking me over here.
And we'll be bringing you more interviews. I'm Lisa Amnegard, and you're watching Web3 TV.